It is Thursday, August 2nd, 2012. We're here at the Hana Fire Station, and I really did push that button and ask whether it was okay for me to videotape their fire trucks, and they said yes. Last summer I was here and documented this beastie. Turns out I was told it isn't a fire truck so much as a pumper, meaning that it pumps water and stuff like that. And it's just a gleaming, beautiful piece of machinery. I mean, look at it. It looks like it came right out of the showroom. And beautiful, beautiful thing. And in this direction, well, it's tough to show you. It's huge. And what wasn't here last time, or at least easy for me to document, is an actual fire truck. And I guess the best thing to do is to just kind of walk all the way around it. It's the first time I've actually seen it and been able to look at it close up. And a reminder that this is on the Hana Highway, this way towards Hana. And Maui Fire Relief Association t-shirts and hats. Oh, I might get one. Now let me see. I gotta walk across here, which I can do right now. Standing here on the Hana Highway this way and this way. There it is. Now we'll walk towards it. So this is the engine, E7. Example of their fire helmets. Standing back, the logo. And again, this thing is gleaming, as if it just came from showroom. And it's called the Pu'ukau Uiki. Pu'ukau Uiki. And for fire personnel who like to view things like this, they'll understand this more than me. The buttons. I always like documenting the buttons. So this is the Hana Fire Department. And I'll go back and show you what their, I don't know if that's their mission statement or not, or just their mantra: to protect and preserve life, environment, and property. And the back. I'm getting back a little bit more here. So this is I'm actually inside the Hana Fire Department right now, or fire station. There's their hose that comes out. Just to give you an idea, that's the pumper. And this is their rescue craft for high surf conditions. And this is the view out this way with the ocean. So rescue craft on the water, the pumper, and the actual fire. And up at the top there, that looks like a surfboard. So I don't want to videotape anything else, because there might be some personal things for the fire department. I don't want to get into that, out of respect. And again on this side, to protect and preserve life, environment, and property. And oh man, look at all these buttons. I have a little bit of trouble because there's a plant here, but let's see if I can't get them all in. And looks like there's some firefighters' clothes there. And again, the name of the fire truck. I've documented the one in Lahaina, for example. They name their fire trucks. I think they're called fire engines, I'm not sure. There's the handsome logo. And around here, I have trouble getting that fighter's helmet. So, I'll be coming back to Hana again. Let's see if I can't show a little bit of the fire station itself. Have some of these. I'm not sure what kind of vehicle that is. I know it's a support vehicle of some kind. There you go. And up here you got the American flag and the Hawaiian flag underneath. It's right on the road to Hana. In fact, it is part of Hana. And on this side is, I guess that's Maui County. And police station, shouldn't be a surprise, police station is very close by. Yeah, this is Public Works, Maui County. And our car here is the white one, parked by the yield sign. And I won't today, it's already quite late in the day. But certainly next time we're here, roughly 2 weeks, I'll pick up a firefighter's hat, would be nice. In the meantime, turning camera off.